How to write on the both side of Google Docs. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can write on the both side of the Google Docs. First of all, open your Google Docs, choose any of the document that you want to. So if you want to write on the both side, first of all let's write on the left side and also give more spaces, and you can also write on the right side just like this. So you can pull it as much as you want to. So here you can see we can write on the both left and right side, but if you're using the PC, then you can just write on the left side and the right side by using the ruler on the top side. So if you write on any side, you can just place the ruler with the keywords right there and place the ruler a little bit on the right side, and your words will already be shifted on the right side. It's pretty easy on phone, and for the PC you must need to use your ruler, and just like that your work will be done. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.